We are not dependent on cobalt or nickel, which are traditionally used in lithium batteries, and that supply chain is controlled by China.
Sparks is a lithium battery component company with its newest factory getting ready to go online in Sacramento.
100% of the cathode active material is produced in China, and Sparks factory here is the first factory to be making the cathode active material in the United States.
Sanjeev Malhotra is the CEO of Sparks and says he's re-engineering the supply chain of lithium batteries.
It was a rude awakening, Michelle.
When Malhotra worked for the Department of Energy as a battery scientist, he says the U.S. developed the technology, but most of the manufacturing moved to Asia.
That's why Sparks essentially is focused on the complete value chain, from making the material to making the cell to making the complete battery pack.
Sparks uses the domestic supply chain by getting its materials from West Virginia and California, and will soon be making the batteries in Sacramento. Batteries used in electric vehicles and other products. He agrees with President Trump's tariffs on China.
Go for more. Yep. Go for 50%. Go for 60%. Yes.
There's a large lithium deposit in California.
President of California Manufacturing and Technology Association says if companies don't have to trade internationally, that's better for the state's economy.
So if it's a California startup with companies and options, it may help them because it depends where the lithium is coming from. And with tariffs, there are always winners and losers. It's just a matter of where you are on that equation.
Malhotra wants the U.S. to lead the world in battery manufacturing, not China. And with the tariff talk, he's already picking up new business.
We can match the Chinese pricing. And that's what we are offering to our customers. Today, we have anywhere between half a dozen to 10 customers who actually have gravitated from China to Sparks.
In Sacramento, Michelle Bandur, KCRA 3 News.